How to fix two fingers scroll not working on Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing issue with your two finger scroll not working on your Windows 10 or 11, then you are in the right video. Then first thing to solve that issue, what you can do is just head over to control panel from your PC or laptop, and once inside here just tap on this mouse button over here and then just head over to pointer options, no pointers, and just click on this scheme, and you might as well change it accordingly. So you might go with extra large or large, just in case you want default. You may also click on default, but if it's not working for you currently, then you may change it to your desired output scheme. So once you do that, just click on apply and click on OK. And another thing, what you can do as well is just click on mouse once again, and if you see the option called properties, device properties, just click on it and make sure you have enabled the two-way scrolling, two finger scrolling option. And from over here as well, just click on this hardware and just click on properties. By clicking on this touchpad option, just click on driver and update the driver if it's available. So just click on OK. So once you do all of that, I want you to search in for this on your Windows, that is appwiz.cpl on your Windows commands. Just press Windows plus R on your keyboard and just search in for the following. And once you search in for the following, just make sure you do not have misspelled the spelling. Just find in for searching for your touchpad program or touchpad software gesture, for example like Dell Smart Gesture. Just tap on any one of those gesture application which you have and just right click on that particular application just like this and click on repair. So in this case it's not showing me for me, so in your case if it shows, you have to do just like that. So once you do that, the final step what you can do is just head over to your device manager, and once inside here just click on this mouse option. So once inside here just click on this properties, and from over here as well just make sure you have updated your driver. And if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. You can also try this option from over here and just click on OK. Once you do all of that, you may as well restart your PC and your issue should be successfully fixed. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.